Redbox, Revlon update. These two are some of these hype stocks that done really well lately. So get your money. But Redbox, we had put a video out just identifying a line in the sand, telling Redbox, hey, buddy, if you want to relax and you want to have a healthy chart, you need to come and retreat or relax or do something. But this line right here was the line of resistance, and it can kill you as soon as you touch it. So stay away from it. And it did kind of touch the here, so that's kind of why it died. And tomorrow it'd be nice if it closed above it, because that would be a good sign, closing above it. So closing above 1040 or somewhere around there, 1037, 1040 would be a good sign for this. Piercing it won't do enough. I mean, you got to close above it by the end of the session, or else pretty much you might just run the risk of, even if you climb above this, you're running the risk of coming down and having to touch the bottom of the channel, close up the gap that you have right here. And those are usually nice boosts for a stock when it comes to close up a gap. You can see here, this was a gap play, came down, close up the gap, and boom, right? So now we can come and close the gap again, and boom, take off again. That'd be nice. All right, so that's Redbox. That's where it's at. Just gotta, prove to you that these charts have a behavior and rules that they gotta follow, and when they don't, they gotta pay for it later. Maybe not pay for it now, but they gotta pay for it later. So Rev Super Monster. I mean, geesh, I had this line yet going yesterday, and it's super. Like, it just hopped right over it and said, her lack of cursing, I'm gonna not say it, but it put everybody to, I mean, a lot of people thought it wasn't gonna go that high, but it did. I definitely did not expect another 80% day, just because it doesn't fit, right? It's not even because, my ego's like 80%, it's not gonna fit. 80% just doesn't fit. It's just like you'd end up at $12, $14. Come on, you'd break the next day. So, and you cannot, knowing that you had not touched this 200 moving average, you can't do it. It's like almost, you have to come hit it once, and then we'll see what you do after, but you got to come hit it once. And it did. It hit it with a lot of force, because those pierces show you hit it with a lot of force. But now it's got to either hang out here, start climbing again, or you fall somewhere around here. This is always going to be a good support line, but it's got two levels to stay above. You got to stay above here now, and then you can't fall below this line. So you got to ride that. All you have this, you can only go here and up, because if you start coming back down, you're going to have to fill this in, and that's going to take you to the side of the wall that you don't want to be in, because now you're trapped there. We're all talking about daily charts, so it's all daily swing trade stuff. If I was in the weekly charts, monthly charts, we're talking forever, right? We're talking longer time frames. But right now we're just talking daily charts. So we're talking a couple days of being stuck, a couple days of down. But this definitely created some support levels for itself that would be super great to buy in the future. And it will get there. Don't think it won't. It will get there. We've seen this happen before. And those are the two analysis. Thank you very much.